Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Nails Art. Are you ready for more nail art awesomeness? Let's jump right in. But first of all, newbies should subscribe my channel to get latest videos. Let's start the video. We can see here different colors on nails. We can see black, pink, white, brown, green, yellow, purple and all that color you like. White and black color combination always looks so beautiful. Green is a beautiful and fabulous shade. It always looks charming on nails. Little smart hearts looking so beautiful. Shimmer adding more beauty in the nail art. You can see here black color with a touch of golden shimmer looking so beautiful. Butterflies on nails looking very funky and fabulous. Black color with a little touch of sky blue looking perfect. Black and white combination looking so gorgeous and pretty on nails. Black and golden combination again you can see on your screen. Gray is a mute color and always looks so decent and gorgeous. Here is another mute color looking so perfect and gorgeous on nails. Black color with a little touch of shimmer looking so beautiful. Again you can see black shiny color on nails looking gorgeous. You can see here a mute shade but looking so decent and gorgeous. Many transparent shades on nails looking perfect. Black and white combination looking so gorgeous with small leaves, lines, leaves and flowers makes the nail art so pretty. Black is a beautiful color. Yellow is another a beautiful color looking so cute on nails. Pink is a beautiful color, always looks so charming. Sky blue is another a beautiful color for nails looking so glittery. Green is another a beautiful shades looking so glamorous on nails. Again you can see black color on nails looking so charming. You can see a mute shade on nails looking so decent. Blocks, lines, butterflies and hearts makes a nail art so funky and fabulous. You can see different designs in this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more nail art inspiration. Have an amazing time. See you next video. Thanks. Bye.